Getting a file upload failed message in Otter.ai can be pretty frustrating, especially when you need your transcript fast. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it and get your file uploaded again. First, make sure your audio or video file uses a format that Otter.ai supports. The most common ones are MP3, MP4, WAV, and M4A. If your file uses something else, it may not upload at all. If the format is correct, the file may simply be too large. So try compressing the file or trimming out extra sections before uploading it again. Larger files can sometimes fail during upload, especially on slower connections. Next, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi cuts out or becomes unstable during the upload, Otter.ai may stop and show the error message. After that, refresh the page and upload the file one more time. Sometimes the upload fails because of a temporary glitch, and refreshing Otter.ai fixes it right away. If it still doesn't work, open Otter.ai in another browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Browser extensions or old cached data can sometimes interfere with uploads. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies, then sign back in. This helps remove broken temporary data that might be causing the upload problem. And that's it. One of these fixes usually solves the Otter.ai upload failed error pretty quickly. If none of them work, then the issue may be with Otter.ai itself, so you may need to wait a bit or contact support.